You look thirsty. You look thirsty. Here's a cup of water. Drink this. Drink this amazing cup of water. Okay, here's an ice cube for you. Drink it, drink it, drink it. Drink it. How does it taste?
Nice.
Okay. Today, well, actually, here. If I were to ask you to subtract 250, oops, 250, no, subtract, sorry, 120 from 250. This would be pretty easy. You just go 0 minus 0, 5 minus 2, 2 minus 1, and that'd be it. But if I were to ask you to subtract $2.50 and subtract $1.20 from $2.50, for some reason this looks a little bit harder, and it's all because of that little dot, right? This dot separates the dollars right here from the cents right here. These are the cents, and this is the dollar, right? So these are the whole dollars that we have, and these are the change that we have after the dollar. But this is, in essence, the exact same thing. This doesn't have a decimal point, and this does have a decimal point, but they're the exact same thing. The process, it would just be 0 minus 0, 5 minus 2, and 2 minus 1. And that would be this. The only difference is that instead of, say, calling it 130, we have to add this decimal point right there to say $1.30. That's it. That's exactly how you do it. So if I were to ask you, okay, what's $15, okay, and 45 cents, and then I would say minus, let's say $9.22. This would be exactly the same thing as 1,500. Look, and 45 minus 922. If we did this, 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. We can't do 5 minus 9, so we have to take one. This becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. And we get that. There we go. 623. Okay? But with this, we would go 5 minus 2. It's the same thing. 3. 4 minus 2. 2. See? Same thing. And then 15. 15 minus 9. You just do 15 in whole minus 9. Or you do 5 minus 9. Can't do that. So this. Boom. 15 minus 9 is just 6. 6. The only difference here, we can't say 623 because it's not what it is. You see the place where this decimal is? You just put a dot right there. That's it. You just put a dot at the place so we can say $6.23. That's how you do it. It's exactly like subtracting hundreds or anything else like that with change. The only difference is where it's the decimal point. So yeah, try it at home and stay in school for the love of